Donations came pouring in here at Monroe College's Houston Hall for the victims of a deadly 5 alarm that took the lives of 17 people as smoke and flames filled this 19-story building here at 333 East 181st Street right before 11 a.m. on Sunday morning, with the New York City Fire Department sharing the cause of faulty space heater that ignited. This is Ashley Hall, who drove in from Harlem.
Once I knew that there was a place where you could bring things to donate and help, I was more than happy to do so.
Located at 2375 Jerome Avenue, the college agreed to open the space as a makeshift evacuation center. There, the American Red Cross was on hand with the New York City Department of Emergency Management.
I came to make a donation, try to help out in the mean I can.
Yesterday afternoon, we received a call that the city could use space to help coordinate the relief efforts for all the families that are affected. So we offered this building, Houston Hall, and we offered our staff, and we've been accepting donations today. And it's in the face of a very difficult situation, it's nice to see the members of the community coming out to help.
Help following an unthinkable tragedy as area hospitals took in over 30 who were in the building, with over a dozen listed in critical condition.
One loss is one loss too many. The kids is another one. That just hurts.
Only 10 years old, this victim, Oubaie Bolima, who lives with her family above the third floor, shared she was awakened by a family member.
It was my mom, my dad, and me. We were sleeping, so I was just sleeping, and my sister was just tapping me. She was like, "Oh, there's a fire. We need to get out."
Now staying with an aunt, her entire family is safe, she says, but others here are desperately looking for theirs.
My daughter, with her boyfriend, and we can't find her. We have no information, can't find nothing.
Karen Benjamin is the mother of 38-year-old Doral Anderson from apartment 13R. The family shared she is disabled and has not been in communication since Friday. She lives with her boyfriend, Ramel Thompson.
She's handicapped and she's in a wheelchair, so we're just hoping that, she's still alive.
The American Red Cross is asking those trying to locate family members to call 311. Here at Monroe College, Arlene Mukoko for BronxNet.